Hello and welcome to our video blog for this month of December 2021. My name is Kim-Marie Mapletoft and I'm a Director of Silent Unity and Daily Word in the UK and the leader of the activities that we run through Unity Maidenhead. It's my deep pleasure to connect with you in every way that we do, especially in this build-up for Christmas, our preparation for Advent. It's such a busy time of year for so many people, and for others a very lonely time, especially if they're isolating at the moment. We can do our bit by coming together in sacred stillness and prayer, reflecting on the meaning of Christmas for us individually and spiritually. There is so much power in the message of the birth of Jesus, so much wisdom that we can take from it, and not just to reflect on for the characters of the time, but also to use and direct in us. For we are all being called to awaken to who and what we really are. For that Christ energy, the light within us, to be reborn more powerfully and beautifully and freely. The light resides within us. We can simply connect with that and learn to live that light and share that light and see the light in each other. So this time of Advent is a very special time for us in Unity. We come together to read our Advent booklet, to connect in reflection and meditation, and to deepen our own experience, our personal experience of the light within us. We bring all of ourselves to this experience, our foibles, our imperfections, our regrets, and our beauty and our joy and our creativity, and that all comes together in sacred silence as we let the light that we are come through, the Christ energy to shine, and in doing so support our world in a way that is truly needed right now. So join us through this season of Advent. You'll find all the details on our website, www.unityuk.org, and take time with us to connect in sacred stillness with the truth of who you are. Thank you, and have a blessed Advent and Christmas.